Alright, YouTube family, right now we're about to put together Amari's Fun Wheels Water Activity Center. Alright, so Daddy has got all the pieces out and ready to build. We're going to see what Daddy makes of the pieces that we have together. It's going to look like this at the end of the finishing product. So let's get it, Dad. And that is it, folks. Now all we need to do is put water in it to start the activity. We have the pool already in the backyard, filling up with water as we speak. Amari, are you excited? So we have your pool and we have your water activities center. Which one would you like to play with first? Okay, I think that's a good idea because the pool is going to take a while to fill up. So let's bring this in the back. And then we're going to check on the process of the pool. You ready? Okay. Come on, Dad. You're being mean. Look. And this is what happens. So this is why water is important. Exactly.
I wanted you take another turn.
This is making the boats move.
This is the mud.
Been waiting to bust this little toy out for a minute.
Don't push it out.
Okay. You like your play center?